What if, during tough times, each bite gave strength and hope? Inspired by the Philippine government's initiative to create healthier food aid, we set out to reimagine emergency food. Kinako Crunch. Hello, Kinako Crunch fam!
Now I'll show you how we make our Kinako Crunch. First off, it's whole wheat flour. Unlike white flour, it has more fiber and nutrients, keeping you fuller for longer. Next, soy flour, because it's a good source of plant protein. Then, coconut oil, which binds things together, and also for extra nutrients. Now we make it. Like with any baking recipe, we put the dry ingredients separately from the wet ingredients. And just whisk it. Next, the wet ingredients. Okay, now we put them together. Now we're gonna touch the food. We will wear some food grade gloves.
Definitely make sure it's food grade. Dough. Can I get the dough?
I'm gonna get the
Yay! Ta-da!
We are now using a silicone mat as we will roll it, so we can cut it into cute little flowers.
Do it as soft as I can. Actually, I can do it pretty hard.
Not too much because we need yeah.
Now it looks like a Kinako Crunch Island.
Yeah, it does.
Welcome to Kinako Crunch Island.
I want to land on it.
Now we have to just eat. How eat?
Yeah. Take it out.
We have our first Kinako Crunch.
Nope. Okay, so as my brother is making the cookies, I will preheat the oven. Now now that we're done cutting all the cookies out, we will put it in the oven for 10 minutes.
That's not a lot of time.
Yeah, put it.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
A few moments later.
And this is the draft for our packaging. And since this was a reimagined emergency food aid, I made the packaging cute to uplift spirits. And now, put the cookies in.
1, 2, and the final one, 3. Yay!
Thank you for watching!